All right. Hello, everyone. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'm broadcasting this to the Facebook group that we have. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about Shortcuts a lot, make sure you go into the check out the link down below for the folks that are watching the replay here on YouTube. But anyways, I just wanted to do a few short little demos of Shortcuts a lot 5 from some of the questions I saw in the group, and I thought this would be a good way to sort of demonstrate some of this stuff, and maybe you may not have known some of this stuff as well. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look here. So again, I just went through a few of the few questions that were in the group and stuff. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and talk about the paw print here. And this is the question. Hey, they're trying to use the knockout. Back minus front. On Shortcuts Lot 4. I'll demonstrate this in Shortcuts Lot 5, but they don't understand why that is happening. And I think to better demonstrate this here is let me go ahead and close this out here. The paw print that you see on the screen right now is an actual image. It's not nothing traced, meaning that someone went to Google and they decided to I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but I'll go ahead and pull this up. You can essentially place an image on there. So I'll go here to place image, and we have a clip art of PNG. Hopefully you guys can see that PNG, and it doesn't trace anything. It just puts a picture on there. All right. And what good does that do you? Nothing if you plan on cutting this thing out, right? So one of the good things to look at when you are doing this, or even going to go cut anything, is you click on the preview button, and you're going to notice that if I uncheck this where it says show printable, it's not there. The cut lines aren't there. All right. So in order to get the effect that they're looking for, is you're going to need to trace the item. So you select the image there, click on trace, and then this one's simple enough where you can just do a monochrome and then hit OK. And now we actually have a real line cut file here. Okay. And then essentially she was trying to just put the words on there, and really nothing that you really need to do. You can leave it as is, but if you are looking to kind of have the knockout effect, very simple is select everything and then click on merge, right? And the whole reason why we're not seeing the text is the whole layering. But anyways, you can select everything and go up to object and, path or object, object merge. So has the same effect. Okay. So that's one of the questions that was out there. Let me take a look at some of the other questions that were there. This one was out there as well. I'm new to Shortcuts a lot, so don't roast me. I can't figure out how to weld things together. So we have. I didn't even think about that, guys. I do apologize. So back to this Iceman monster. I can edit the text. Okay, so I can change that into something else. So that means I can edit the stuff. All right. So how do we weld? Well, you select everything and you go over to the wrench and you have the weld button selected. You can edit the text freely without it being permanent. All right. So that's what I was trying to stress on that. Okay. Because if we were to go to path union, that is what you would see now. Okay. So again, just if you're not trying to make things permanent, you're just wanting to maybe click on the weld button and move things around, you can use that check mark underneath the wrench, and that would work a lot better if you plan on making any kind of edits and stuff. All right. So let me go ahead and take a look at some of these other questions that I wanted to answer. Can I use a digital download of Shortcuts Lot 5 on the iPad laptop? Shortcuts Lot 5 is for Mac and Windows only. So the answer to that question is that there is a Shortcuts Lot 3 app that is out there. I really wouldn't recommend getting it. They haven't put any much effort into updating it and stuff. So I'd probably stay away from it. I think it's like, I don't know, maybe $10, $20. So go ahead and save the money and just use it on your desktop. All right. So let me see about this here. This person here was asking about how can you remove some of the colors that are in the color bank that you have set up. So that one right there, that is definitely Shortcuts Lot 4. That is now no longer in Shortcuts Lot 5, and that is a Mac only thing as well. So let me go ahead and pull up Shortcuts Lot 4, and we'll take a look at this here real quick. So inside Shortcuts Lot 4, anytime you're trying to change color and everything, it's always right here, and you click on the little palette there. So on Macs, you have multiple ways to change your colors inside Shortcuts Lot 4. There's your color bank. Okay, so sometimes you're able to drop and drag stuff into those squares, and then you're able to use them frequently. So that's how you do that. But her question was, how do you remove that? Just select the color that you're looking to remove and hit the delete key or hit the backspace key, or it works on anything. All right, so that one was a quick question and answer. Let me go back to Shortcuts Lot 5 here and questions. The last one here. It seems like we are getting a lot of new people in. Great, and some of them have really no idea where to go for help and stuff. If you're talking about Shortcuts Lot 3, Shortcuts Lot 4, there are YouTube videos out there. I will tell you this, that for Shortcuts Lot 5, really not a lot out there. All right. Sandy and I, we did put together a course that you can find out online. And let me go ahead and take a look, show you this, because I was speaking with her when Shortcuts Lot 5, we were beta testing and stuff, and she went out and on her own decided to create a user manual. And with that user manual, it's like 200 something pages long, and I said, how about I make a video course that goes along right with your manual, so people can pull out the manual and they can click on any link that's in there and be taken to a video if they needed further explanation. So that's what we teamed up together to do. The course is a little over 8 hours, 8 hours in length if you were to watch all of it in one setting, kind of thing. But it's mainly meant there for you to pick and choose what topics you want to look at. Okay, so let me go ahead and sort of go through a little bit here. So like I said, benefits of this, a little over 8 hours. You can watch them at your own pace. You always have access to them. And the big one here is the no ads. Okay, if you go on YouTube, you just get bombarded by ads, and again, nothing against that, but that's how I guess the creator gets their money. But anyways, you can see how it's built based upon chapters and chapters. I meant if you want to find something about tracing, right? So let me go ahead and go back here real quick to the classroom. And if I wanted to find something on tracing, right? So boom, chapter 5 is all about tracing, and you can see all the timestamps on there on each part of that. And most of the tracing, I will say Sandy does, because she is a big user on it and stuff. But yeah, you can see just how in depth all this stuff is, right? So yeah, go ahead and check out the course and stuff. If you're interested in that URL, we do have a special link there for you. So if you go to ScrappyDew.com /SCAL5 SCAL5, you'll be taken to a promotional site there that gets you a little bit of a discount there if you're interested in that. And if you don't have SureCuts Lot 5, there's also a discount for it there as well if you get it bundled in with the course. All right. But yeah, hopefully you guys got something out of this. I may end up doing more things like this weekly if there's questions in the group to sort of do like a little tech support kind of videos and stuff. All right. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll maybe see you next week. Okay. Take care.